Hey y'all, what's up? It's your girl Ashley, and today I will be doing the Cat Chooses My Makeup challenge. I don't know who started this challenge, but I've only seen the one where Jenna Marbles gets her dogs to choose her makeup, but I did see a bunch of thumbnails of other people doing it, so whoever created it, thank you, because this is an awesome challenge. Beside me here I have all my makeup. I've got all my palettes, lip makeup, contour, blush, everything is here. So I'm going to be separating it for my cat. It's going to be all her decisions, so hopefully she chooses a good combination. So if you follow me on Instagram, she is no stranger to you. This is my baby Sofi. Hi! She's 14 and just so cute. Let's get started. Hey Sofi. Sofi. Okay, choose one. Fenty or Bobbi Brown? Okay. Okay, so I'm going to have to approach this a different way because she's not paying attention to what is in my hands. I think I might just throw them on the ground and see which one she runs to, and that's how she'll decide. Okay, so I have my Fenty and my Bobbi Brown foundation, and I want her to choose one. She's right here, so... Oops. Choose one. I think this might not work. Okay, I'm trying this again with the promise of temptations. Okay, Sofi, choose one. Choose one. Okay, Fenty it is. She's just sitting here. Okay, Sofi, which concealer? Okay, so that is where the Cat Chooses My Makeup video ends. She only chose these two items and lost interest right away. So I decided to just make my own tutorial, and I'm going to try to do something different. We're going to do a whole look that is yellow. I love the yellow look right now. This is a last minute decision because I was really hoping this Cat Chooses My Makeup challenge would work out. But maybe I'll try it again one day when she is... I don't know when she'll want to do it. She's not a sit down kind of cat. She's a run around, play with her toy mice kind of cat. Let's get started. Okay, so for a look that's vibrant, it's very important to use eyeshadow primer. We are going to be using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Eyeshadow Primer. Just put it on your eyelids and pat it on. So we're going to be using Quince, this very light cream color from the Heat palette, as our base. Okay, so next we're going to use this very bright yellow right here. This is NYX Butterscotch. We're going to put this all over the lid, up to the crease, maybe a little bit over, but not into the brow bone. So this NYX color actually has a lot of kickback. I'm just layering it and layering it, just trying to get as much pigment as possible. So now that we have the base yellow shade, we're going to start defining. I'm going to use this more of a mustardy yellow. It is Paper Tiger. So we're just going to dip into this and put it in the crease. So bring that outwards as well. Don't cover up all the lighter yellow, but blend the darker shade into it. Now that we have the yellow, I'm gonna put some brown in the crease just to add some more drama. I'm not one to have just a solid color. I need to have some more of that definition and that fade going. So that's what we're going to accomplish by adding some brown to the end. So I'm just going to be using this CYPRUS Umber color in my Modern Renaissance palette. You guys know how much I love this palette. Okay, so it looks like it's coming together. Just takes a lot of blending. This is definitely one of the most dramatic and difficult looks I've ever done. As you all know, I am far from a makeup artist, but I love playing with makeup. So this is the brown fading into the yellow. So now I'm going to add some shimmer to it. We're going to be using Come Clean Super Shock eyeshadow. This looks exactly like Trophy Wife. So I'd be using Trophy Wife right now for the inner half if I didn't just break it. So I'm actually going to use my finger because I noticed that the ColourPop Super Shock shadows applied the best with a finger. Honestly, sometimes I just put a shimmer shade on top of the matte to cover up any imperfections and places that I had trouble blending. And then we're just going to take some of that with a crease brush and apply it to our brow bone. We're going to take a pencil brush and use it on that bright yellow and line underneath our eyes. So now we're going to get to the eyeliner. I feel like that's really going to help the look out because right now my face is looking a little bit washed out, especially with not having any eyeliner on it. So we're going to take my usual STILA Stay All Day Waterproof eyeliner and we're going to do it dramatically because this is not a regular everyday look, you know? So I'm just going to start it pretty far out and we're going to just make that triangle. Make that eyeliner come to a point. If it's not at a point, don't even bother doing it. Now we're going to do the other side. Okay, I am loving my eyeliner. It makes the eyeshadow look so much more bomb too. After I did the eyeshadow, I was very iffy, but after putting on this eyeliner, I love it. So now we're going to put some eyeliner at the bottom. Pencil eyeliner, just black brown. We're going to put on some eyelashes. I have these by Quo. They are very long and dramatic, so I thought that they'd be perfect for this look. I'm going to be using my Duo Lash Strip Glue in black. Who else uses these type of tweezers for applying eyelashes? I feel like not many people do. They just use their fingers, but I find them so helpful. Okay, so I have the eyelashes on. Now I just need to put on some mascara to blend in my real lashes with the fake ones. So I'm using Urban Decay Perversion Mascara. Okay, I am like falling in love with this look. I was so iffy about it at first. I'm so proud of myself. So even though my Fenty Trophy Wife is broken, I'm just going to use a little bit and put it on my cheeks. I feel like this is a really great look to make it match. I'm just going to be gentle. So to complete the look, I'm using Fenty Beauty Lipstick in Shawty. This is that nice brown shade. So this is the final look. This one here was no help for my Cat Choose My Makeup challenge, but she's here now. I actually decided to do a yellow eye because I love Sofi's yellow eyes and I just wanted to match her. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I really loved making it. I had so much fun. If you liked the video, please give me a big thumbs up and make sure to leave a comment below. Comment what your favorite crazy eyeshadow color is. If you haven't already, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!